Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Microsoft Teams with the error code 0xCAA82AA7 and Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this usually means a problem with the network connectivity or it has an issue with DNS configuration. This error generally implies that Teams can't reach the Microsoft servers due to wrong network settings, restrictions through a firewall, or other temporary DNS failures. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoot, under dito sa options, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. At dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. And wait natin. So madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. And next step, so kailangan lang natin i-follow yung step-by-step procedure nito para ma-fix yung problem. Alright, so after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. So click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung date and time. Okay, so i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa date and time settings, so dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung internet time. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa internet time at dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung change settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang internet time settings, under dito sa configure internet time settings, kailangan nakacheck itong box na synchronize with an internet time server. So i-check mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung update now. And then after yan, i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so click mo lang yan and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And other solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong control panel. At dito lang ulit sa search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then kailangan mo lang mag right click. And select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH /OneSock reset. Okay? So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH OneSock reset and then press mo lang yung enter and successfully reset the OneSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So, ang next step natin dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay? So, click mo lang dito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Teams with the error code 0xCAA82AA7 and Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.